Dog. And he's riding his 18.
Well, I decided to clean under here, and sadly, it revealed more damage. I'm not too sure about that. And then let me swing around to the other side here. That one that I just showed you, right? Yeah, there's the other side of it. You can see where the earthquake knocked over some stuff. That's from that there. This one got worse. And then there's another one up here from that earthquake. A little scratch from the earthquake right there. But the worst part that I just noticed is there's this lovely crack right here. And then there's one down here. Hopefully the camera will pick it up. It goes all the way down and over. I think I need to give it a new hood. I don't know. We'll see. Look at that Porsche. Woo. That's a beauty. All right, we're gonna set a little time lapse here, Ben. Getting it. He's just digging him a hole right there. See that rooster tail? Yee yee! Yee yee! Uh-oh, we got a motorcycle behind us now. This is actually kind of cool. You know, I didn't tell him to do that. He just did it on his own. He just straight was like, you know what? I seen him over here. He's just doing it on his own. Right around that tree. Move back over. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think we hit the tree. Yesterday we had an incident with a tree. Our little friend came over and she ran out of it. That was too cute. Alright, well, let's get back to the Corvette. Good job, Adi. Hurry, go. I did a little bit of cleaning. Took something off right there. Try to clean the engine bay just a hair. I need to still clean Dora, but my pressure washer is acting up. She got a little bit of a wash to the truck there. But there's we're gonna hopefully try and clean this thing up, get some of that dirt up out of there. Take a brush to it. I noticed it's kind of, down here it's kind of like falling apart. But I sprayed it down with the hose. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, look, he's over there. He's got it real stuck now. I guess I better go help him. We are starting our own little racetrack right here. Alright, so come here, Cohen. Let's watch him. Oh, you need to slow down there, buddy. Woo! Yeah, so go slow. Here it comes. This boy's got it down. He's letting it rip around these trees. Oh Anyhow, if you guys like that video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And we will catch you in the next video. Have a great day.